looking at? Yourself?
No, the plane.
The plane.
Oh, but the camera is taking a picture of Malcolm while he's
No.
flying.
The camera's on the other side.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Look at the dog.
He's chasing it. But how is the camera on?
Well, the little thing to take the picture is right up there.
Oh, is it?
On that side.
Did it frighten the dog?
Well, I don't know what he's doing. He
Yeah,
wants to chase it. It might be dangerous to let it land. He might want to bite it.
All right.
Yeah, he would.
But he likes to chase it and go close. He thinks it's a bird. It's a bird. Here, get it. There we go. Where'd it go?
How's Billy? How's Billy the dog? Is he doing well?
Yeah, but as Sarah said, there are a million times.
How about Luke, Malcolm?
What's that, Gregor?
Luke?
Don't do anything you can't do. Oh, there it goes.
We don't want to witness a crash.
Oh. Puppy, come on, Pep.
Luke, roll off the top.
Oh, Lord.
You should be a radio-controlled airplane judge.
Yeah, you think I can get the job
You
next
can tell
summer?
him, okay, this is what you have to do.
I want to get the puppy to watch this. Come on, Pep. He's gone out there high so he can get up high.
Me and Darling watching the dog.
He is cute. He's some kind of...
Yeah, get it. Come on, get it. Chase.
Maybe he's going home.
He's going home. Must have got cold.
That plane's no fun, is it? He's going home.
Yeah.
Good.
Go home, puppy. Yeah. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell them what you
They're
said.
He is stopping, though. Oh, there he goes.
Oh.
It's an up and over.
He looked like a cat there.
Yeah.
He's so nimble.
Hey, ooh. Oh, my.
Wow, what a
Good.
Yeah.